In this quick video, I will show you how to buy Bitgert on MEXC step by step. So the first step is to go to MEXC.com and you will gonna need to log in first and go to your wallets and make sure that your USDT is in your spot account. Now type down here on the search bar Brise and then click trade, click Brise USDT and then type the amount of USDT you want to trade. For example, I want to trade the maximum amount and click buy Brise. And as you can see, the order was successful. So let's go to wallets here. Type down Brise. And as you can see, I have received this amount of Brise token. And you can see here the equivalent amount of USD. And if you have any questions about how to buy Bitgert on MEXC, leave a comment below.